In this video, I'll show you how to use the AI Simplify command. This command rewrites your text in simpler and clearer language, making it easier for everyone to understand your message. AI Simplify works within chat conversations, ticketing, and the knowledge base. Here's how it works. When you're in a conversation or responding to a ticket, click the / icon at the bottom left corner of the chat screen. Then select the AI Commands icon. Choose AI Simplify from the list of commands, type or copy the text you want to simplify, and press Enter. The command will automatically rewrite your text in simpler language, ensuring your message is easy to understand. To use this command in the knowledge base, start by creating an article and a new paragraph. Enter a /, click the wand icon, and select AI Simplify. Type or copy the text you want to simplify and press Enter. The command will rewrite your content more clearly and straightforwardly. For further instructions on how to use this function, visit our AI Assist Academy.